Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and if you are a Jamaican and you're watching me right now, I want you to know that Kishane Thompson and Shelly-Ann Fraser are on a dangerous mission in Paris Olympic 2024. Welcome to Running Factory, and this is my YouTube channel. We talk about everything track and field, so I will be happy to see you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now the purpose of this video is enlightening the whole wide world, not just the whole wide world but the Jamaicans specifically, about the record that is about to be set by Kishane Thompson and Shelly-Ann Fraser. Now let's talk about Shelly-Ann Fraser in general. Now Shelly-Ann Fraser is going to make history, and the reason why she's going to make history is because it is either going to be a gold medal, or a world record in the 100 meters. When we are talking about the female 100 meters in Paris Olympic, do not count Shelly-Ann Fraser out. Now the reason is because, do you know what it means when someone said something, this thing I'm gonna do is gonna be my last dance? Yes, Shelly-Ann Fraser made it known on social media that, look, Paris Olympic 2024 is going to be my last dance. If someone said something is gonna be my last dance, definitely you should know that that person is going to give in her all. And that's the reason why we came into conclusion that it either going to be the gold medal for Shelly-Ann Fraser or either a world record in the 100 meters. So do not expect anything less than that from Shelly-Ann Fraser. Yes, I know a lot of people will ask me this question. What about Sha'Carri Richardson? Right? Now, do not forget that last year, the reason why Sha'Carri Richardson won the 100 meters was literally the Jamaican ladies underestimate who Sha'Carri is. If you watch the race in Budapest World Athletic, Sha'Carri Richardson was in lane 9. In fact, the Jamaicans did not even knew she won the race. It was when they checked the board that they saw Sha'Carri's as first position. So, but this year, the Jamaican ladies know who Sha'Carri Richardson is. They know she possesses this energy, and she has everything to win the 100 meters. So do not expect anything less from Shelly-Ann Fraser. It is either going to be a world record or the 100-meter gold medal. So it's gonna be history either way. It's gonna be a history. This is going to be her last dance, and trust me, it's going to be a history. Now the next Jamaican athlete, which I believe is going to make history for Jamaica at the Paris Olympic, is none other but Kishane Thompson. Kishane Thompson. Now Kishane Thompson is the guy from Jamaica that ran 9.77 seconds in the Jamaican national trials 100 meters final. And the reason why I feel like Kishane Thompson is going to make history in Paris Olympic is because imagine someone who run 9.83 seconds in the first heat, went ahead in the semi-final and ran 9.80 something again, and went ahead to the final in just the trials. Now do not forget that even Noah Lyles, I think he won the USA national trials in a time of 10.83 seconds. Noah Lyles is nowhere near 9.70 something. As I'm talking to you right now, Kishane Thompson is the favorite for the gold medal position at the Paris Olympic. No athlete is picking like Kishane Thompson. Do you understand what I mean when I use the word picking? Kishane Thompson is in his best form right now, and possibilities are he is the favorite for the gold medal. Not just the gold medal, there is a possibility of Kishane Thompson destroying Usain Bolt world record, and even Usain Bolt himself knows that. And the reason why I said Usain Bolt himself knows about Kishane Thompson possibility of breaking his world record is the day that Kishane Thompson ran 9.77 seconds in Jamaica. Usain Bolt went to social media and he reacted. Now, do not forget that it has been a while we have seen Usain Bolt react to any male athlete racing, right? But he reacted to Kishane Thompson. He posted a Jamaican flag the same day Kishane Thompson ran 9.77 seconds. When Oblique Civil has been running and representing Jamaica, yet Usain Bolt did not react. But that same day, That same day, let me repeat myself. That same day that Kishane Thompson ran 9.77 seconds, Usain Bolt went to his Twitter account and he posted a Jamaican flag reacting to Kishane Thompson time of 9.77 seconds at the Jamaican national trials. So that's why I just want to let you guys know that record will be broken and Jamaicans are going to do it. I want you to expect record to be broken by both Shelly and Kishane. And if at the end of the day, both Shelly and Kishane Thompson fails to break any world record, but they end up getting gold medal, it's still a history. History will always be history, right? So if at the end of the day, like I said, they did not end up getting those gold medals I predicted, it is still history. It will be historic to see, because it has been a while we have seen both the male sprinting event, the female sprinting event from Jamaica dominating all at the same time, right? Since the retirement of Usain Bolt. So if it end up happening again in this Paris Olympic, it's gonna be historic. It's going to be historic for Jamaica, right? So what I'm trying to let you guys know is that there is gonna be history will be broken in Paris Olympic, and the Jamaicans athlete will shock the whole wide world. Now I want to hear your own opinion about all what I have said. Do you believe in my opinion of history going to be made by Kishane and Shelly? Let me hear your opinion in the comment section about what you think about these two athletes, Kishane and of course Shelly and Fraser at the Paris Olympic. And do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Peace.